Introducing IELTS Online. Take the world's leading English language test, how, where, and when it suits you. With fair and accurate marking, face-to-face online speaking tests, multiple test dates and times to choose from, and support staff on hand to help you with technical issues. You can now take it anywhere to make it anywhere. It's the same IELTS that's respected globally as a true test of your academic English skill in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. With the same timing, same format, same questions, same marking criteria. Trusted by institutions worldwide. Fair for everyone, with strong security, including a combination of human and AI invigilation. All you need to take IELTS Online is a quiet, well-lit private space, a stable internet connection, and a laptop or desktop computer. Now available on paper, on computer, and online, IELTS gives you more ways to achieve your goals, taking you from wherever you are to wherever you want to go. IELTS Online. Take it anywhere to make it anywhere.